Hello student, welcome to IT practical class. Today I discuss the practical number 6, that is write the steps to insert rows in MS Excel. If we want to insert a new row, then first we will have select the row or a cell in a row above where we want to insert the new row. For example, if we want to insert a row above row, right, then select the 8th row or a cell in the 8th row. After that, follow this instruction to insert a new row. So, step 1 is select the row and right click on it and click on insert. Alternatively, we can click on home tab and then click on insert from the cells group category and click on insert sheet rows. So if we want to insert more than one row, then select the multiple rows above where we want to add those new rows and follow the same procedure as mentioned above. Now we can adjust the whole worksheet automatically, or we can manually choose where to shift the existing rows. We can either adjust them cell reference according to our choice or leave it to the default settings. So that's all. Thank you.